Hello everyone, my name is Sambhavi and I am currently doing my graduation in the course of BTech Electronics from the Institute of UPES, Dehradun. I came to OJD 2 months back to get a training in C language. After completing my course, I can surely say that yes, now I have the command over the language. I would like to thank all the faculty members here as they were very helpful throughout the process. I would like to give my special thanks to Mr. Om sir as he was always there as my guide throughout the process and as my teacher also. I would also like to thank the institute to provide me with the required materials, which was very helpful throughout the process, which made me learn a lot. At last, I would also like to say that all of you should join the institute if you are interested in any kind of training related to computers. After completing my course, I received this certificate which certifies me that yes, I have a knowledge in the field of C language, which will be very helpful for my future job interviews. Thank you.